Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people ask around, like, can you borrow money from your life insurance policy? Well, the answer is yes, you can borrow money from your life insurance policy, but only if you have a permanent life insurance policy, like such as a whole life or universal life insurance that has built up cash value over a very long time. So you have to have enough cash value before you can simply, request to borrow money from your insurance policy. So let's get started on how you can simply borrow from your life insurance, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe buttons. It really helps me out. So let's get started. You can borrow up to 90% of your policy's cash value depending on your insurer, which is very important, depending on your insurer. And also, no credit check required. You are already borrowing money from your money. You are borrowing money from your money, so there's no credit check required. And also, no fixed repayment schedule. You repay on your terms, and lower interest rates than personal loans. And also, here's how you can simply follow this steps to borrow from your life insurance. So first thing to do is to check your policy's cash value. Contact your insurers online to check for your cash value. We can also do check online if that should be the case. And also, you can request a loan through a fill out or a loan request form, and also receive funds usually by direct deposit or check. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.